Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I've collaborated with other two YouTubers, Cook with Rania and Rukia, and we're bringing you three different types of meats. So I'm going to be making KFC chicken, Rukia is going to be making beef curry, and Cook with Rania is going to be making beef stew. So sit back, relax and enjoy our recipe. So on today's ingredients, you'll need blended garlic and ginger, 1 squeezed lemon juice, quarter cup of milk, paprika, pinch of salt, chicken masala, 2 eggs, black pepper, and turmeric. You will also need 2 cups of flour, cornflakes, but you can also use corn flour. Lastly, your chicken. So I'm going to mix all my ingredients so that I can marinate my chicken. So I'll be starting with garlic and ginger. So after adding garlic and ginger, I'll add a half tablespoon of black pepper, followed by a half teaspoon of turmeric, then I'll add 1 tablespoon of chicken masala, followed by 1 tablespoon of paprika, add some squeeze lemon juice or lime, salt to taste, and lastly I'll mix everything well. So I'm going to mix all my ingredients with my chicken so that they can all marinate well. So after mixing everything, I'll add a quarter cup of milk. You can also use yogurt if you want to. Then I'll mix everything together. So after mixing everything together, I'll cover up my chicken and leave it for 30 minutes or more than 30 minutes so that my chicken can marinate well. After I'm done, I'm going to crush my cornflakes as you can see in the video. Then later, I'll crack my 2 eggs onto my bowl. Then I'll add some salt to taste. Then I'll beat the eggs for 1 minute or 2 minutes until it gets thickened. After 30 minutes, my chicken is well marinated. So I'll just mix it well. Then I'm going to pick each piece of chicken and coat it with some flour. Then coat it with egg solution. Then coat it with cornflakes. Like I said, you can use corn flour if you don't have cornflakes. I'll coat it again with some flour. And then I'm done with my first drumstick. I'm going to continue to do the same until I'm done with every piece of chicken. And I'm done coating all of my chicken. Then prepare your cooking oil in a pan as you can see in the video and deep fry your chicken one by one. In the beginning, I'm going to deep fry my chicken on a high heat. Then later, I'll reduce the heat in a low medium heat so that my chicken can cook in well. Cook your chicken until you get a nice golden brown color as you can see in the video. And my KFC chicken are ready. Remove your chicken on the cooking oil and place it in a plate. You can serve it with ketchup or some fries if you may want to. Kindly don't forget to watch my fellow two YouTubers videos so that you can get to learn other types of meats and all the Swahili dishes. I'll put down their links on my description box and go subscribe to their channel. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my videos every week, and comment down below after you are done. And bye.